Is creating wonder something that happens by accident or something that happens by instinct? What if you could intentionally craft a sense of wonder into your players? In a podcast, I was listening to Brandon Sanderson and others discuss about the element of wonder. And they break down wonder into 3 parts: something new, something strange, and something amazing. By combining these 3 elements, you can deliver a sense of wonder to your players. Here's what that can mean for us. When we're introducing something new, like a character, a location, or even an item, all of those things have the potential for wonder. And even if your players have already encountered this thing before, this is a perfect time to introduce a new detail and use that as a springboard for wonder. The second thing that we need to do is something strange. Something strange is about drawing your players into 2 or 3 unique details that make this particular thing stand out. Now, something amazing is where your imagination can really run wild. Think of what will make your players say, "Whoa, that's cool," or "Whoa, what's that?" Wonder doesn't have to be grand all the time, and it can occur in even the smallest things, like a mouse that acts like a perfect gentleman, or a tailor shop with sentient mannequins. When those wondrous moments happen, don't rush past it. Let your players bask in it, interact with it, and engage with it. This is all part of immersion, and the best part about it is these are the kind of things that help create an unforgettable experience.